Welcome, fellow wine enthusiasts, to another exciting adventure in the world of grapes and giggles. Today, we're uncorking the mysteries of wine terminology, but with a twist of fun and frivolity. So grab your glasses and let's dive in. First up, we have Cork Dork. No, it's not a dance move at your cousin's wedding. It's a term for passionate wine aficionados who geek out over every aspect of wine, especially the satisfying pop of a cork. Next on our list is legs. No, not the ones you show off at the gym, but the droplets that trickle down the side of your wine glass after swirling. These legs can tell you a lot about the viscosity and alcohol content of your wine, but don't worry, they won't judge your gym routine. Moving right along, let's talk about acid trip. No need to pack your bags for this journey. It's simply a term used to describe wines with high acidity that tickle your taste buds and leave you craving another sip. It's like a roller coaster ride for your palate. Here's a classic, wine o'clock. It's that magical time of day when the stresses of life melt away, and the only decision you have to make is red, white, or rosé. Cheers to living in the moment and embracing the grape. Now, let's pour ourselves into the world of terroir. No, it's not a fancy French dessert, it's the unique combination of soil, climate, and topography that gives each wine its distinct personality. It's like the fingerprint of the vineyard. Decanting. It's not just for fancy dinner parties. It's a process that allows your wine to breathe and unleash its full potential. Think of it as giving your wine a spa day, relaxation and rejuvenation all in one glass. Next on our journey is nose. No, not the one on your face. It's the bouquet of aromas that greet you as you swirl and sniff your wine. From fruity to floral, earthy to oaky, the nose knows how to tantalize your senses. Crisp. It's not just a sound, it's a sensation that dances on your tongue like a refreshing breeze. Wines described as crisp are lively, bright, and perfect for sipping on a sunny day. So pour yourself a glass and let the crispness carry you away. Now let's raise our glasses to vertical tasting. No, it's not a high-flying, acrobatic act. It's a tasting experience that explores the same wine from different vintages. It's like taking a journey through time, one delicious sip at a time. And finally, we have Sommelier. No, it's not a fancy French title for wine snobs. It's a knowledgeable wine expert who guides you through the world of wine with passion and panache. So next time you need a wine recommendation, don't hesitate to call on your friendly neighborhood sommelier. And there you have it, folks, our whirlwind tour of fun wine terminology. Remember, wine is meant to be enjoyed, so don't be afraid to sip, savor, and smile. Until next time, cheers to the grape life.